Hello Flummies! My name's Dani Ray, and in this tutorial we'll be going over 5 simple hand switch tosses. I can talk. They're simple, but they're fun. They're fun to do. They add a lot of flair to your routine, a lot of wow, a lot of oomph, a lot of razzle dazzle, that sort of thing. And I don't want to talk too much because I will ramble. So let's get right into it. I have the messiest, sloppiest fan covers ever because I can't sew. Quick disclaimer, I've been spinning fans for a pretty good minute now. If you are new to fans, especially new to tosses, do not do them near a glass cage. Like I said, I'm confident in my tosses. I know I'm not gonna break it, but I'm setting a pretty bad example for new spinners. So if you're new, make sure there's nothing breakable nearby. Be careful, please. All right, so before we get into the first hand switch toss, easiest way to make sure that you're ready for it is just to practice tossing across your body to the other hand. So we're just gonna do this. That's it. Once you get used to that, you can either throw in the second fan, or if you're not too comfortable yet, you can throw in a clap. That clap in the middle symbolizes the transfer from one hand to the other for the fan. That's when you'll be going like this with the other one. Once you're ready, just like that. And the trickiest part with this toss is just being aware of your palm direction. Doesn't matter which direction your palms are facing. They can be both palms out, they can be both palms in. Wait, did I do that right? Palms. They can be both palms in, that, or they can be facing opposite directions. Either way is totally fine. The thing you want to remember is to keep your palms in that direction the entire time, and that'll keep a nice, smooth wall plane. What I was doing when I first started is I was tossing, and then I would flip this fan over to get it into my other hand. So it looked something like this. See, so definitely keep it nice and smooth. Go ahead and practice in the other direction. You got this. You can do it. This next one was inspired by my friend Juanz, who did this trick in a combo for techie fan spinners, and I was like, oh, that's so cool. And then I saw Doodle playing around with it, so I decided to play around with it, and I turned it into a hand switch toss. Yay! So that toss is the hip shelf toss, and that looks like this. Ha! What are you gonna do? Just bounce the fan here and move it across your body. And as it's moving, toss this one here, catch this one here. The trickiest part with this one is the balance. So even without the fans, okay, you're just going to practice having your leg come up to one side, across, and down again. And feel free to practice this without the toss. Put one fan down, focus on this one, bring it across, grab it here. Side. This next one is the knee pinch switch. This is another one I saw Doodle doing, and I just thought it looked really cool. Again, I adapted it into a hand switch toss, and it looks like this. Ta-da! So the best way for this to work is to face the side. It's all gonna be on the wheel plane. And the fan that's closest to the audience is the one that you are going to bring over your knee to the inside and flip it up so that you can pinch it, bring it back. And the toss in front of you, all it's gonna do is just a quick arch to the side. That's it. Back to this. Switch the hands, back hand grabs the handle, and it comes back around. And again, for reference, it's like this. Wah, and wah, wah. Next trick is a little bit easier as far as balance goes. And the cross toss looks like this. So your arms are going to cross here, and about here at this point, you're going to use the momentum from this and a little flick of the fingers to let it go. Ha! Ta! And this trick also looks awesome in the wheel play. Watch out. Right? Ha! Ha-cha! And this is the kind of toss where the planes are the trickiest part. Because your arms are crossed, when you first toss them, it's normal for them to kind of go off plane a little bit. Just practice, pay attention to the direction that your fingers are going, and practice getting that nice flat plane there. So you can do it like this, or you can do it like this. Either way, super fun, right? Let's move on. And the last trick for today, certainly not the least, is the juggling toss. And from the front, it looks something like that. From the side, just like that. So we're starting with one fan. And you remember that arching toss we did for the knee pinch? Yep, that's all you're doing. Just a little bit higher than eye level. Obviously, yes, look at your fan. You're gonna wanna see it to know where it's going. Take your time with this step. Make sure that you're comfortable with it. When you feel ready, add the second fan. So when you toss the first one, you're going to wait until it just starts to fall down again, and then you're gonna bring this fan up underneath it. You're gonna toss it to come to the other side. So it'll look like this. See that? Once again, looks great from the side. So I'm mostly starting with my left hand first, but definitely practice doing the right hand first as well. Right? See? Simple, right? It's simple. You got this. You can do this. So that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys practiced. I hope you have fun with it. Did you like this video? Did you learn something? If so, go ahead and give it a like. Which one of these tosses was your favorite? Go ahead and comment down below. Do you want to see more videos like this? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button with the little bell notification. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Anyone was wondering what's inside this glass cage? My little bearded dragons. That one is Gomez, and that one is Morticia. So once again, hip shelf, like that. Ah! That looked awesome. This was me losing balance. I almost fell, but that looks really, really cool. Yay for mistake recovery.